Hi, my name's Scott Ryers from MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2023 X26. Starting with the interior, we did all cool feel interior in this boat. We do with the light gray and the navy blue. This boat has the side walkthrough, so you can see how the bow's set up, and then there's a bow filler that goes here, and this whole thing becomes a big playpen area. Turn around walking through here, we got our side walkthrough. Into what's unique about the X26 is the seat here on the passenger side. You can sit here or you can flip it and sit that way. And then as you're going through, you have this awesome, nice long bench seat. We did the display touchscreen for the observer over here for the stereo. Clish advanced audio system, so you have the 4 cockpit speakers, 2 subwoofers, 2 dash speakers, 2 bow speakers, and then we have the 2 8.0 speakers up on the tower. Transom reverse seat, pop-up ski tow bar, life jacket warmer, rear flip seats with fold-up backrests and flip-out footrests. Coming back around here, built-in cooler underneath here, flip-up seat for storage. All the whole boat under all the seats of storage. Coming up to the bow here, we got the dual screen with navigation, rear camera, phone charger, BTS windshield, the nice billet aluminum mirror, and then this does have the Z8 easy folding down tower with the swivel clamping wake surf wakeboard racks. We did the Decadence flooring. This boat is also equipped with heated seats and heaters, and the heated seats is the passenger seat and the co-captain seat. New for 2023 on the X series, you have the true walkthrough, so you can step here, step there, handle to get the seat there. Coming around the back here, we have the new swim deck with the flip down swim platform, which is super nice, hang out in the water, and a couple of cup holders there when you're just hanging out. And we have the transom remote, and I'll show you the outside of the boat as I hop down here. We did the navy blue with the black mica metal flake on the outside with the MasterCraft Chromex coloring. 26-foot boat, 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower motor, the new Star system, and as you can see, it's got the RGB underwater lighting. It also does have the RGB light inside, and this boat is equipped with the stern thruster that is operated on the throttle. Super easy to use. Come on out to MarineMax, check out this 2023 X26. You can check it out at our website. It's going to be online at MarineMaxGreenville.com. You can call us at 864-236-9005. Or, better yet, come out to the store. It's going to be in the showroom here at our MarineMax location here in Greenville. Thank you.